Hello everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY Pacific Fleet Updates YouTube channel here. With me, Roberto Manico Ignacio speaking here, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. And today, we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Boeing 777-300ER that flew to Xiamen this morning for maintenance and or to get reconfigured with 77J and or to get her larger titles. So this aircraft is registered as British Hotel November Romeo, and she took her flight number 63820 with a great circle distance of 496 kilometers and an actual flight duration time 58 minutes and a clock of 70 degrees as you can see it here. This aircraft took off at the middle runway as you can see it here at exactly 4:59 a.m. local time in Hong Kong, and then she flew over the South China Victoria Harbor, then the South China Sea, and then she landed at runway 97 at Xiamen Goke International Airport at exactly 5:57 a.m. local time in Xiamen, China. So she is special for being the last and the youngest Boeing 777-300ER in the Cathay Pacific fleet. So for the details of Bravo Dutch Hotel November Romeo, kindly check the previous video about this aircraft. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Manico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. Bye guys!